5 things to never do if you want to be successful with Facebook marketing. Hi, I'm Nico from Big Domino Marketing, and today I want to go through the 5 things that you should never ever do as a marketer on Facebook. Number 1, never ever boost a post. Yes, I know, it's the easiest way to market on Facebook. You see a post on your Facebook page and Facebook gives you this lovely little button that just says boost. Never ever touch that. That boost button is the same as running a page post engagement ad. What happens? You'll get lovely vanity metrics. Someone will like and love and give you all the smiles for those posts, but it will never ever convert. Number 2, never ever start a Facebook ad campaign without a proper strategy. Marketing without a strategy is a sure way to go broke using Facebook marketing. You just have to know the behavior of people on Facebook. You have to know how to take ADHD traffic on Facebook and send it to a targeted spot where you can turn them into a qualified lead. You have to know how to grab people's attention. And of course, lastly, you have to have a proven strategy to take those people through a sales process after they have become a lead in your business. Number 3, never ever just use one ad in an ad set unless you are testing something. People on Facebook have different preferences. Certain people like images, certain people like video, certain people like long copy, certain people like short copy. You have to give Facebook a variety of creative and a variety of copy so that they can show your ad to a bigger portion of the audience. The more ads you have in an ad set, the more your reach will be for the same audience. It is also the perfect way to ensure that your frequency of ads do not jump through the roof because you give Facebook too little ads to show to the broad audience. Number 4, stop using callouts. Attention business owners, attention women of whatever city you're in. You have not earned the right to call out to anybody on Facebook. Rather start something like, how we help business owners do X using Y. That is the best way to grab someone's attention. You use images and video to stop your scroll, but your headlines and ad copy does not scream out to people. It gives someone an entry into what they can expect to receive at the end of the ad copy. Step number 5, stick to Facebook's marketing policies. They have it out there for a reason. Your Facebook page, your personal Facebook profile, your Facebook ad account doesn't actually belong to you. It belongs to Facebook. And in order to use it, you have to follow their guidelines. I see too many people out there going out doing these wonderful ads with before and after pictures when it's got something to do with weight loss. Ding, it's not allowed. Everybody, go to Facebook's marketing policies. It's free, it's online. We'll put the link below this video in the description. Just click on there, go read it, and ensure you stick to their advertising policies. Facebook actually does not care as much about you as they do about the viewer on their platform. And if you're going to transgress their ad policies, they will just not approve your ads, or even worse, ban your account or your Facebook page. That is the last thing you want as a business owner. So I say again, go read their policies. The link will be below in the description of this video, and stick to it. So there you have it. 5 things to never ever do if you want to be successful with Facebook ads. The first one, never ever use the boost button. The second one, never ever tackle Facebook marketing without a proper strategy. Number 3, never ever just use one ad in an ad set unless you're doing specific testing. Number 4, stop using callouts in your ad headlines. Number 5, stick to Facebook's ad policies.